Good morning. This is your First Responder Realtor here in Santa Clarita. I'm going to bring you today's Santa Clarita market update. Today's October 12th, 2024. This is the 286th day of 2024, and we're definitely seeing some movement in the market. I'll dive into those numbers to keep you ahead of the curve, especially with the open houses happening today. You can see all of those at santaclaritaopenhouses.com. As far as the inventory update goes for the last 7 days, the activity, and I do post this every day so we can get the proper perspective on what's happening. Coming soon listings in Santa Clarita Valley. 11 have entered the market this past 7 days. 75 new listings, 58 price changes, 26 properties back on market, 31 properties active under contract, 42 pending, 67 closed, actually sold, 6 expired, 15 had canceled, 13 have been put on hold, 3 have been withdrawn. That's a total of 543 active residential properties in Santa Clarita across all the categories. We're definitely seeing a healthy variety of options. So if you're in the market to buy, now's a good time to start having a look. Where do you do that? Online, santaclaritaopenhouses.com. It's all the local inventory and it's completely unlocked and it's mine. So if any issues, reach out to me and I'll fix it. Buyers are definitely watching currently as the federal mortgage changes closely, but they aren't very optimistic it's going to drive too much demand for new homes. Now, while we're seeing a lot of building, they're still actually experiencing supply issues and can't really build as fast as people would potentially want to buy. But with pre-construction prices still higher than existing homes and borrowing costs elevated, these mortgage tweaks may offer little relief to buyers. However, for those in our area, it's crucial to weigh the benefits of a longer amortization period against the higher interest costs in the long run. Now, as a first responder turned realtor, I definitely know the importance of thorough preparation. Just like when I was on the force, I always made sure I had backup plans in place before going into any situation. And the same applies to real estate. Whether you're buying or selling, having a strategy is key. I'll guide you through every step just like I did when I was protecting our community. The rules may change, but the mission stays the same, keeping you safe in your real estate journey. For those interested, there's several open houses being held today, actually over 100 posted at santaclaritaopenhouses.com. I'll be doing one on Balsam Court in Valencia from 11 to 4. Feel free to come by if you'd like to say hello. Now, definitely stay tuned as always. Let me show you what's happening with regard to the open house inventory. So here we are at Santa Clarita Open Houses. Let me run through this real quick. Just scroll down and you'll see very simply, here are all the open houses scheduled. Yesterday there was 100, day before that about 60. So currently we have 128 active listings that are going to be held open today and also tomorrow over the next weekend. So please go have a look and you'll see many different real estate listings running all price ranges. And on this system, you're also going to see information and regarding every single update that I do. So every show I do, I put all of the information here. So it's archived. You can come back, you can look, and you can find out where the market has been and potentially be able to watch me and maybe determine where it's going to be going. I hope you're well. Thank you for watching. I'm Connor with Honor. Over and out.